In this video, I am going to show you how to fix ProForm Treadmill not turning on. So basically, the first thing that you would like to do is basically check in the power cord. So make sure that the power cord is fully plugged into the wall outlets and the outlet is working. Avoid using an extension cord if possible, and try plugging another device into the same outlet to confirm it has power, and make sure to check the cable from the treadmill as well. Of course, as well, turn on the power switch as well. Locate the power switch. It will be near the power cord, and make sure it is set to on, basically, which is the eye or the straight line position. So some users accidentally leave it switched off after moving or cleaning the treadmill. So other than that, basically, a lot of people forget to insert the safety key. Check that the magnetic safety key is fully inserted into the console. Without the safety key, most ProForm treadmills will not start. And other than that, if none of these works, still not turning on, just try to make a reset or reset the circuit breaker. Near the power switch, look for a small reset button or circuit breaker. If it has pop outs, basically wait for about 5 minutes, press it back in, and turn the treadmill on again. Perform, of course, recommend resetting the circuit breaker if the treadmill lost power unexpectedly. Other than that, you can try, an example, performing a power reset. Basically, you'll have to turn the treadmill off and plug it from the wall outlet. Wait about 5 minutes and plug it back in and turn on the treadmill again. And this can clear basically any temporary software issues, and it may work for you. And of course, if the treadmill still won't turn on after these steps, the issue may involve some power supply, motor controller, display console as example, or maybe even some internal wiring. So these problems usually require repair or replacement, so you'll need to contact a freelancer as example, or contact Proform support if you still have a guarantee on it and they can help you, because these problems require a professional. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.